Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a super simple copy and paste strategy that helped me make my first $1,000 online, and I know it can work for you too. Let's dive in. You might have tried countless methods, feeling discouraged. Trust me, I've been there. Here's a straightforward plan. No hype, no fluff, just real results. Start by choosing a skill or topic that people genuinely need. Maybe it's writing, designing, coaching, something you're good at. Focus on something with measurable demand. Break it down into a simple, done-for-you service or product. Make the offer clear, valuable, and affordable. Something like, I'll design your logo for R500. That's affordable, but still profitable. Zero in on one platform, maybe Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Instagram. Engage with discussions, drop your offer casually, and invite people to DM you or click a link. Once someone says yes, deliver exceptional work, exceed expectations. Then ask for a testimonial or referral. That's how you turn one customer into 2, 3, 10. Before you know it, you have satisfied clients, testimonials, and a process. Double down on what's working. Reuse your outreach, scale up delivery, and repeat. Remember, simplicity wins. Don't chase trends. Stick to a solid offer, targeted outreach, and outstanding delivery. Try this now and see how quickly you can hit your first $1,000. If you want templates or help getting started, comment below.
Now here's the part nobody talks about. You have to commit to this for at least 30 days. Don't try it for 3 days and quit. The first few days might feel slow, but momentum builds. The more you show up, the more people remember your name. And in the online game, consistency beats talent every single time. If you see an offer working for someone else, study it. Break down what they're doing and adapt it to your style. The beauty of this strategy is that you can literally model what's already working and cut your learning curve in half. Once you hit that first $1,000, the next step is scaling. Maybe you raise your prices from $20 to $40, or you bundle services, like offering a full social media package instead of a single post design. You can even hire freelancers to help with the work so you can focus on getting more clients. Keep a list of every person who's ever bought from you. A simple spreadsheet is fine. Every few weeks, check in with them, not to sell right away, but to see how they're doing. That's how you get repeat business without spending hours hunting for new clients. Now, common mistakes to avoid. Number 1, sending generic messages. Always personalize your outreach. Mention their name, their business, or something specific you noticed. Number 2, underpricing forever. It's okay to start low to get your first clients, but don't stay there. Number 3, waiting for people to come to you. Go out and find them. Remember, your first $1,000 online isn't just money, it's proof. Proof that you can create something valuable, put it in front of people, and get paid for it. After that, you'll never look at making money the same way again. So stop scrolling, start messaging, and let's make it happen.